In this video, I'm going to talk about how to import XML file in your DaVinci Resolve 20 and how we can do this. So you can do this completely very easily. So if we directly go over here. First one, make sure that you open your DaVinci Resolve. Now, this is what you have to do. So once you're in the DaVinci Resolve, what you need to do is the first and famous step is all about, you just need to go over here at the bottom. You can see we have various options like media, we have an option called cut, we have edit, and we have various options here. And the first one is all about you have to click on the edit, and this is how it looks like. So this is the media pool, and what you need to do is once you click on the edit, you have to go over here and you have to go over, click on the media pool. And once you click on the media pool right now over here like this, what you need to do is just go over here, and this is the media pool where we used to add images and all. So the first and famous step is all about right click over here, and there is an option called import media from XML. So just click on this one. So once you're over here, what you need to do is just click over here, right click, and directly go to import media from XML and just click on this one. That's going to take you to this, and make sure that you set XML file here. That's very important, and directly go over here where the file is located. So in my case, if I go to the downloads, this is the XML file that I wanted to add. Just select this and go for it, open. So right now, as you can see, the XML file will be added here. So make sure one thing, the file should be XML. So once you add it, it will be having here and you can use it. And this is how we can add an XML or import an XML file in DaVinci Resolve 20. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.